welcome back to my channel. This is Cikgu Giri. In this video, we're gonna check out the V8 Live sound card, which I recently purchased in Shopee for just about 40 ringgit. And let's see how well it works with our audio. So I have now used this sound card right here, okay, and connected this to my mixer. I have a mixer here, okay. So you can see I have a mini studio, the place where I work, and seems to be working pretty well. So I'm going to test, and I'm going to show you how this mixer works with my brand new condenser mic. I'm able to use the sound card, and I'm going to show you how the sound card functions like. So especially when you're having a computer that has problem with its sound system, the solution would be to install something like this. Okay, alright. So this video is actually meant for educators who are like me, wanting to set up studios with limited resources. So I'm just giving an idea whereby you can do some troubleshooting. So this is how the sound card really helps me. And here I'm going to show you how this helps. Okay, the condenser mic actually helps you to eliminate the surround sound and makes your presentation of the lesson and your voice much clearer. And of course the sound card makes it interesting. So let's test and see. Alright. So I have some audios pre-installed in the sound card. So this is how it looks like. I'm excited to check it out. Let's check this out. And applause. Yeah. And if you have something funny to present, maybe making some kind of a gesture, which is funny. Okay, so let's sing. So you see how you can make your lessons much more interesting. So thank you to my Soundcard V8, and see you in my next video. So do remember to subscribe, and let's see what else we can discover.